figures, this place, it never fails to take my breath away. I know that's kind of romantic, but I mean, it doesn't really take my breath away. But it's quite a sight. I guess if you're a metal detector or a farmer, it's a much prettier sight. So hey, today's gonna be the big one. I think we're gonna find something really cool today, and we'll get back with you and let you see what it is. All right, good luck. Let's go. This has been a bad day for hunting, I guess, but I'm gonna take my Delta 4000 here and I'm gonna go home. I thought I heard somebody over here earlier. Oh, what's that? Oh, look, y'all, it's a metal detector. Oh, yeah. Am I around? Well, hell, I'm gonna get something out of this guy. Oh yeah, I got me a metal detector. Now I got two of them. Woohoo! I'm using my sniper coil. That big coil, just iron infestation, it just picks up too many signals. But I got this here flat button. Got the little thing on the back. The shank's broke, but alright. Well, no, maybe not. Maybe it's just pushed down in there. Yeah. I think it's just bent over. Alright. This is the signal you look for when you're 95, 98, 97. It's almost like it's falsing out, but it does drop down to 89, 87. It doesn't go way up in the air like a can or something. Let's see. It's supposed to be 3 inches down. Two inches down. Alright, well, let's see what we got. It's right here. Alright, let's do another shovel a little further back. Uh-oh. Well, it's in here somewhere. There it is. Oh my goodness, there it is. Oh, it's a $50, but it's not silver. J-Mo found a $50 out here, but his was silver. Look at that. That's a nice one. I can't believe it's not silver though. Dadgummit. Maybe it is, but I know, I kind of know clad when I see it. That's pretty nice, isn't it? Look at that. Then we'll take it off a little piece of dirt. I may save that dirt, huh? Look at that. I'm not going to rub it. 1972. Huh. Is that worth anything? 50 cents. Yeah. Look here, Abby. I got a 1972. Hey, is that... No, that's not part silver, is it? No, I don't think so. Alright, I'll get back with you. Look at that, sir. Well, heck. Hey guys, look at this little button I found. It's a cute little button. It's about the size of a pencil eraser. It's got to be colonial, huh? I'll clean it up at the house and get you a better shot of it. It came up as a 67 on the Teknetics. It's got a kind of a weird shank on the back. Alright. Found something. Come here. Hey guys, I got I guess it would be a silver quarter or a wait, no, a silver dime or a clad quarter signal right here. 89.91 is what it boils down to. That means it. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, look at that. Some kind of a piece of brass, I guess. Could it be a fancy buckle? No. Oh. Well. Big piece of car. Oh, it used to be one of them big old round things that has a hinge on it. Alright. Well, go on the copper bin or brass later. Okay guys, here's a signal to get excited for. 95, 96, 97. It's right on the surface just about. If you know, it could be well, it sure sounds good. I'm thinking large cent or a $50. Oh, here we go. Oh, what the heck? Oh my, oh, what is that? It's another Kennedy. That's 2 Kennedys I found out here. That's so weird. Why do I find so? You know what? I bet people put these out here. 1983. You just don't find 3, 4 Kennedy dollars out in a cornfield. I mean, you might, but all right. Well, that's all right. It's 50 cents. All right, get back with you. Okay guys, not much to show today. Got this 1972 $50. I got this button. I had another button. Actually, I think I had just most of the shanks were like this, and it was broke off in angles like a stop sign. Move, Abby. Move, move, move. I got this here. What either maybe a top to a medicine shake, you know, like in the old day, or maybe a salt or pepper shaker. I got this brass ring. This little plate's what I want to get checked out. It's got the initials on here. R.A. Morris. We're going to find out about that. 84 dog tag, and this is a part, real nice precision part off something, I don't know. That's it. Sorry guys, bad day. Get back with you soon. We're going to take the Excalibur out to a little pond and see what we get today. I'll talk to you later. Turn around here. What are you guys doing today? Hey, listen. I added a few little digs at the end of this video right now. Just some stuff that I maybe went out and didn't have a very good long time, so I hunted something and I filmed it. I just got nowhere else to put them, so I'm gonna put them here. Now listen, the last little clip on this is I went to Burlington, Mass to look for a couple's ring. They threw it out the window. She didn't do it on purpose, but she took her rings off and threw them at her husband, and they went out the window. And I looked for 4 days, but they couldn't get it pinned down to less than 3 city blocks. So, but when I was out there, I found something, and it's one of the last videos. And here's the contest. Everybody who enters, I'm going to do a random and pick a winner, but I'm also going to pick a winner from whoever. You need to guess how much you think this item weighs. If you think it's 1.1 gram, you say 1.1, 1.2, 5.5, 5. You don't go 5.55, but you know what I'm saying. And whoever gets closest will win this prize. This is my favorite quarter. My favorite quarter. It's Standing Liberty with a beautiful eagle on the back. So this will be the prize for the guess at the item that I found in the last clip. And if you get it right on the nose, whatever, something point something, something point zero, something point whatever, if you get it right on the nose, then you get this too. So guessing the item's weight, you get this if you win, you get this both if you hit it on the nose. The random, you get if you got to comment, subscribe, and whatever. I guess you can check. It's an awesome video if you want. You get this. So random.org will get this, and the other one you obviously understand it. So I hope you enjoyed the little short video I have, and then the little clips at the end. And I got a video of me weighing that item, so there won't be any I said or nothing like that. But all right, guys, have a good day and good luck. What Abby found. Bring it here, Abby. Where did you get that? You picking up the corn? All right. Where's the rest of it, Abby? Where are you going with it, by the way? Abby. Give me that corn. Give it to me. Give it to me. Alright. Okay, diggers, I got a nickel signal here. Nickel, penny, maybe a dime. I got a couple musket balls so far, so I thought maybe I'd let y'all see me dig this one live. Not much of a signal now, huh? Oh, it says about 6 inches down. Let's see what we got here. Sorry about the moaning. I can hardly walk right now, but nothing, not rain or snow or whatever keeps us from metal detecting, right? That corn's right in the way. Whatever. That's right there. That's probably a piece of iron, actually. Oh, it's moving around, so let's see here. Yeah, of course. Why is that with live dig? That's a trip, isn't it? Look at that. Why does it do that? Oh, look at here. The bullet. Okay, so I got a bullet. It's a weird looking bullet. Okay. There you go. Bullet. It's like a 30 cal. No. Too small for a 30 cal. Well, maybe. Not a 240. I mean whatever. It's not a 25 caliber. It's like somewhere in between. All right, I'll get back with you. One live dig, y'all. Ugh. All right, that's $2. I found 2 of these today. Huh. All right, good live dig, huh? See y'all later. Okay, guys. Wow. This is the East Coast, baby. It's a bad mama. Woo! Look at here. Got me a bin wall ball. You know what I'm saying? Ah! Yeah, too bad it's not a gold or a silver ball. Alright, we'll get back with you. Hey y'all, look at this crazy woman. I want to see her. These waves are huge, man. And she's out there jumping around now. She's gonna need me to come pull her out. Oh, she's running away now. Oh, she gave up. This is day 1. I didn't find either one of those rings, but we'll be back tonight or tomorrow. But I did find something. I found this. This is a money clip, and right here on the back, I don't know if you can see that, probably not, because I didn't see it. I almost right there somewhere. It says, oh yeah, down at the bottom there, it says 14K. Woohoo! Alright, well, hey, I'll get back with you. Hey diggers. Texas guy here, New Hampshire. This is what I found while I was looking for the lady's ring. 2 rings. I'm going back tomorrow and the next day, and 3 days, that's it. But, so I got my scale set up, and, so let's see what this thing weighs. What do you think? Take a guess. No, that's too light. Oh, no, that's too heavy. Alright, here we go.